Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the second part of chapter number 3, water bodies for class 6. The next thing is sea. We already discussed ocean part. What are sea? Sea is the smaller division of ocean, or you can say the small part of ocean, and it is you can say this the small part of small division of ocean area. Now, sea, the South China Sea is the largest sea of the world. This is very important. You can get your question, 1 mark question in your exam. So, please keep this in your mind. South China Sea is the largest sea of the world, and it holds hundreds of islands in its water. Now, seas are of two types. So, what are the types? First one is marginal seas, and the second one is inland sea. Marginal seas are those which are having connects the land part with the shore area, or on the margin area of land we are getting sea area. So examples of marginal seas are Barents Sea, Caribbean Sea, Aral Sea, Dead Sea, Red Sea. All these are the examples of marginal sea. And the second one is the inland sea. Inland sea is a large, relatively shallow expanse of water that exists within a landmass, or that is called within a landmass. When you will get a sea area within a landmass, or from from all the directions you will get the land area, landmass, that is called the inland sea. So examples of inland seas are Aral Sea, Caspian Sea, Arabian Sea, Red Sea and Dead Sea. These are the famous inland seas. So you can get their location from your book. The map is given to you. If you will get any problem, you can ask me. Through comment section you can ask. The next thing is lakes. Lakes. Why the lakes are important? Because lakes are giving fresh water to the earth surface or to the human beings for the habitats. So lakes, these are the fresh water bodies by the land area is called a lake. So 1/5 of the world's fresh water is found in lakes, and most of the lakes are fed by rain or rivers. Lakes used to lake water is used for domestic purpose, drinking purpose, industrial waste also. So some examples of famous lakes they have given here. First is Lake Baikal, which is very important. Why Lake Baikal is important? It is connecting the eastern Siberia area, and it is a freshwater lake. So it is feeding the forest area and wild rivers also. It is 1.7 kilometer deep. The important characteristics they have given here for Lake Baikal. It is the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world, and it is the world's largest volume of fresh water, that is 23,000 cubic kilometer. Then it is the world's most ancient freshwater lake, and it is originated 20 to 25 million years ago. It is also a home for many unique species of animals and plants. Then there are 27 islands exist in the Lake Baikal. As you know that it is the largest volume fresh water lake, so that's why deepest lake in the world. It exists island part in its water. Then more than 300 streams and water flow into the Lake Baikal. Next, very important, the 5 Great Lakes of USA. 5 Great Lakes are Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. These 5 lakes are very important, and their location also on the map part. You will get one question on the map to locate the 5 Great Lakes of USA. 5 Great Lakes, why these 5 lakes are connected? Because they are connected on one part on the map. They are very close to each other, so that's why they are connected with one part, the 5 Great Lakes. Their names are connected, and these lakes are situated in US-Canadian border. Very famous Great Lakes are there, and these are the major source of water irrigation in USA. and they are providing the good facility for the water facility, the connecting area of the existed area of Great Lakes. Now, the next thing is Lake Onega. Lake Onega is also very important. It is situated in the northwest part of the European portion of Russia, and it is located between Lake Ladoga and White Sea. It is the second largest lake in Europe and with an area of 9,894 km. And the characteristics and importance of Lake Onega, these are the color of, it has a dark yellowish brown color. Then it contains 40 species of fishes, which are including pike, perch, roach, salmon, burbot. These are the famous fish species which are existed in the Lake Onega only. Next is Lake Titicaca. Why Lake Titicaca is important? Because it is the largest lake in South America and it is highest navigable lake in the world. Highest navigable, that means the navigation, the shipping or for tourist purpose, the connecting route is mainly is there. It is the largest navigable lake in the world. It is situated in Andes mountain on the border of Bolivia and Peru. The characteristics of Lake Titicaca is, it is the freshwater lake firstly, then it is said to be 3 million years old. It is the oldest one. So more than 25 rivers empty their water into Lake Titicaca. It is also fluctuate seasonally, and 41 islands, some of them densely populated, are existed in this Lake Titicaca. The Aymara people living in Titicaca Basin because they are living on that particular island which is existed in this lake. Next is Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria, it is the headwater reservoir of River Nile. River Nile reserving its water in Lake Victoria. It is connecting Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania country. Now, characteristics and important, it is the largest tropical lake in the world and it is the second largest freshwater lake in the world, measuring the surface area. It is also named after Queen Victoria of England. After named Queen Victoria, they are giving name Lake Titicaca, Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria is approximately 4 lakh years old and it comprises over 3,000 inhabited isles. Then next is Chilika Lake, very important. It is in India. Chilika Lake existed in India. It is on the Puri, Khurda and Ganjam in the state of Odisha in eastern India. And it has brackish water. Brackish means the salty water which is not fit for drinking. So that is why it has shallow lagoon, estuarine character. Chilika Lake is the second biggest lake in the world. It has brackish water and spread from the 1100 square kilometer. Now, it is major attraction of Chilika is Irrawaddy dolphins. Irrawaddy dolphins are very famous in Chilika Lake. People are coming from far away from the country to see these kind of dolphins in this lake. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you so much.